日恋爱的情况，并且介绍了南极自贸区得天独厚的区位优势、政策优势、服务优势以及配套优势。
Last Friday, my humble self, the governor of Lagos, some staff of CRCC in Nigeria, and some students, Nigerian students studying in China, we have attended a program in China Central Television, which is also the biggest television of China. We have recorded a program to promote Nigeria and also make it free trade zone. I especially emphasize the zone's advantages in its unique location, preferential policies, services, and supporting facilities.
在此次中非合作论坛期间，我们中国铁建还将持续。
And infrastructural development is very solid. And that is why we are here today. Infrastructural development is a very key enabler for prosperity. Movement of goods, transportation, inflation, and all of that is affected with a good network. As I go about in Beijing, I could see the monumental work of infrastructural development that the Chinese government is doing. And we were going to do the same. It is in your hand now. I'm here to give you the assurance that we will support you in all the areas of development and endeavors that you may be empowered. You are proved to be a very good and reliable partner in our journey towards prosperity and development. And you will realize that it's easy for you now to invest and reinvest at ease than take your money out whenever you want. I don't see why the exchange of naira and yuan, that's stop. We have to renew that. When you see the president mention it, I'm going to mention it. We should swap our currencies. Respect yuan and I respect my naira. And we do our transaction in that mode. I will promote it. I will support it. I guarantee you. It is equally very important that you and I give assurance to the people and our communities that Ibadan, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano, Ray will definitely will be committed and will be done to the satisfaction of Nigerians and West Africa. And we equally welcome wholeheartedly and support your investment in solid mineral and other ventures in Nigeria. You have proved to be a very good partner, and I'm here to assure you that Nigeria is ready to do business.
您证明成为一个很好的伙伴，我也向您保证，爷俩会成一个非常可靠的投资的地方。
Thank you very much, my friend.
也祝愿总统部长身体健康，此次 访华取得圆满成功。
Finally, I would like to once again express my heartfelt.
现在呢，请大家。
Está nesse ano mais.
All right, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
那个总统先生啊，这是我们中国有个非常著名的叫苏绣，这个
Classic Suzhou embroidery. It was fully handmade and made needle by needle.
这是呢绣的是我们中国的最有标志图案，健康长寿，人民富裕。
怎么样？
再次感谢总统先生，祝你身体健康。这个部队有47万人。